noises. Out came Otaja. Hong Zhong hid behind a rock near the edge of the lake. Scared, Hong Zhong came out behind the rock and faced Otaja. Hong Zhong kicked the lake once more, making Otaja even angrier than before. Then Otaja had an idea. Otaja swirled his hand over the water and out came a woman, as beautiful as Ngucho Pa. Thought to himself. Ngokuka got out of the water and walked towards Hong Zhong. 那是我的女。Then a big wave swirled around Hong Zhong and Ngokuka. Soon Otaja disappeared. Có cả chị cho ba thì cho ba trả lời đấy. Sao cơ, cho ba biết một trẻ à? Ôi, bây giờ cứ mình kêu nó luôn đi. Ngokuka let go of Hong Zhong's hand and started walking. Hong Zhong chased after Ngokuka and both walked off. Throughout the next couple of days, Ngokuka did not appear as what Hong Zhong had thought. She sleeps in, never cooks for him, or care for him like he had hoped. Ê, cái gì? Cứ lúc đó mà, con chỉ cho con cho luôn rồi đó. Cái thứ hai thì có vô chỉ bố cụ khứ và cụ sáng này. Có chỉ bố cụ là đó, mấy cái gì? Cứ những chỉ trong sáng cái đi, do cái gì của hoa hơi lửa ná. Giờ ban đầu thì ông nào hoa hậu những chỉ của hơi lửa đi ná.
Cái gì mình cần cho cụ con nhìn là chủ ông đó.
Cái gì? Chân trong này cứ những chỉ trong những thứ của con nhìn đấy. Cái chiếc kia của nhau cụ, cái một cái đấy chứ, cụ nhau một sao.
Con nhìn là chỉ ai chỉ đâu, nhưng con thấy cái trong nhìn đó, nhưng chỉ cho con là trẻ tuổi.
Jolie cũ này nhở? Jolie cũ nó. Các vùng trong này thêm đâu cũ nó có các bạn nhẹ lắm mà. Nhưng cái chơi được bạn nhẹ chết kìa, cái chi xa cũ cho cái cho cụ gì. Các bạn cho kìa nếu mà chỉ lo hẹn, mình chỉ rạc gì cho con đi nữa. Remembering that Ngokuka's dad is Otaja, Hong Zhong decided not to argue with Ngokuka. Nên thôi, nên cái gì đó. Cái chị tu ba tu chế, cái chị ua, sao bà là tu thiệt đi nữa. Ngokuka walked into the bedroom and left Hong Zhong's bedroom. Hong Zhong started cleaning the house.
稍微不积极上面，我经常想到这个身体上，
Bonjour said to himself,
那我一心着嘛，长到一个半年的，领导同行，有个保路内有上面讲，这个演技有，但是那不保了，上门车路口，干了呢，有多往其上写啥？
Bonjour finished cleaning the house and went to bed as well. Over time, Bonjour learned to live and love Vancouver. As for Tintin and Gojapa, their love blossomed each and every day. They loved each other very much and created a family of their own. Tintin and Gojapa lived happily ever after.
Results for the doodle.
Roman's very easy.
This is your fit.
Just deleted his line. So, but the first line is this book. The rest are not.
That's a left it before I get completed. Okay, well, stop carrying.
His hand over the lake, and out came a beautiful flower. With a shout, pulled the flower up and handed to the Ocean Paul walks to the Trying to get her up in practice. Instead, she hung back. Lindsay walks past a tree that was hiding earlier, so Mojo was trying to pull his wife out of his house.
我这样没有这个概念，这样子打气呢。
Remember slow motion.
Lindsay ran to engage her flag and picked up and tried to push Mojo back. Mojo let go of Roger Fly's hand and hit Lindsay. Lindsay got back and pulled Roger Fly's hand.
不是半夜，结婚的。
Down and started to fight back.
Dude, smash no good.
Find an answer. When Mojo
This
got
side,
to
this
the
side,
lake,
this side,
he
this
saw
side, this
nothing
side.
but the lake.
Oh, you're in the lake.
Rapidly moving form into the lake.
Okay, so hold on, let's do that again. And then, back to the scene. So whoever is side or hold on, the house scene. Back to the house scene. When you come back,
Just stand still.
They loved each other very much and created a family of their own.
the baby will be on my back.
The Lion King.
The two
Not the baby.
happily ever after.
We walk off.